Hello everyone, today I'm here to take you around an expansive, innovative and state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Vasai that belongs to one of India's largest retail and industrial fixtures, In-Store Pvt Ltd. So here we have this unique opportunity to explore all that goes on behind the scenes and have an insightful conversation with the chairman and managing director of In-Store Pvt Ltd, Mr. Raju Paleja, to know what the company is doing and aims to do in the time ahead. What has Naman done in the last few years that it has managed to carve such a distinct and leading position in this industry?
It is a business with a lot of technology, continuous technological upgradation. We have improved on our talents, we have improved on our technology. Today we have one of the state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, which is almost of the size 200,000 square feet. Our team is more than 600 people. We become a public entity. Now we are, our shares are legally traded. We are focusing on exports a lot. Europe, US are becoming our major markets.
What are the key challenges that these brands and retailers face when it comes to their store rollouts? And how is Naman addressing these?
One of the big challenges is innovation. Second thing, across everywhere now the time is the costliest thing. The rollouts are very fast. Naman is especially in rollouts.
In our industry, when we work for programs, right, it is very important to have a warehouse for the ready goods. And with the client's instruction, right, in a day or two, we can ship it to the location. And maybe in probably 7 days time, the site can be open. So we have 3 sets of machines. Okay. For cutting, we have beam saws. Right. For edge bending, we have 4 edge bending machines. Okay. And then we have 3 CNC machines. Okay. So put together, this is a panel processing. We are entering the metal section. Metal section. Okay. Here mainly we process on metal sheets. In metal section, the industrial is also a big contribution to our business and our day-to-day work. So here you can see we have punching machines. Okay. For metal sheets, there we have lasers. This is our panel bender, one of the state-of-the-art machine. This one? Yes. This is our fabrication part, okay, where we do welding, grinding, etc. Okay. This is our powder coating plant. Okay. Here we have 2 booths. First is manual, second is automatic. Okay. And after powder coating, the material comes here. Right. We are very good in both liquid paint as well as powder paint.
Very sharp.
Apart from this, Naman believes in QC. QC is happening continuously at every stage. So we are quite organized in our business.
We are very happy that we offer our customer not only the products, but we offer a complete environment.